Okay, switching to remainder theorem. So find the remainder when 3x squared plus 7x minus 20 is divided by x minus 2. Believe it or not, there are times that you don't care what it's divided by, you don't care the answer, all you care about is the remainder. It happens with things like slant asymptotes and other things. So the easiest way, instead of going through all that long division, is to say, all right, let's look at this thing and solve. If x minus 2 equals 0, what would x equal? 2. Now take that 2 and replace both of these x's with it, and that'll give you the remainder. That's called the remainder theorem. And if you want the mathematical verbiage for it, go for it. Look in your book. But for me, I know I set the thing I want to divide by equal to 0, solve, and then just plug it back in. So we have 3 times 2 squared plus 7 times 2 minus 20. Is that 8? Did anybody work it out? 12 plus 14 is 26. 6. Anybody work that out? Thanks. It's only on video at home. It's not a big deal. You saw laugh at me. All right, so if you want to find the remainder, you just set the thing equal to 0, the thing you want to divide by equal to 0, solve, and then plug that number back in for any x's in here. Can I move on? That's the easiest part of the day. All right, synthetic division. In case you forgot how, I only have one example, but I think you'll be all right. So let's go 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 5x minus 12. And we're going to divide that by x minus 3. How's my speed? What do I put in the little half box?
By the way you drop, I guess we did x subtract 3. No, that's wrong.
It's just one number. What do I put in the half box? 3. How'd you get that? You said, well, you said x minus 3 equals 0. That's the number you put in the half box. What are the numbers across the top?
2.
Mm-hmm.
3.
Negative 3. Yeah, here's the 2. Here's the negative 3. Here's the negative 5. And there's the negative 12. Whoosh. Bring down the first number. Whoop. Anybody remember what to do next?
Multiply 3 and 2.
Yep. Multiply 3 times 2. Add them up. Next.
3 times 3.
3 times 3. Add them up. 3 times 4. Add them up. Hey! This one divided ain't even. No remainder. Anybody remember how to write the final answer? It's not 2, 3, 4.
You take your 2x squared plus.
How did you get x squared?
Because you do the second one.
Because you do the second one.
Like you don't go like you don't take the x cubed. You take the x squared.
All right. I think she's saying go 1 degree smaller than this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so if that's x cubed, your answer starts at x squared. So this would be my 2x squared plus, and then the 3 comes in with an x, and then the 4 doesn't have any x's. That's a lot faster than long division, I think. Bring down the first number, multiply, add them up. Multiply, add them up. Multiply, add them up.
Did you do the